The third edition of the Talent Identification Program TID, launched by Shri Konrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, and Shri Shaklir Wajri, Honorable Minister Sports Meghalaya, on 14th March 2024, is underway throughout the various districts of Meghalaya. The Talent Identification Program TID, supported by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, is being implemented by Meghalaya State Olympic Association to test 10,000 children from the ages of 6 up to 15 years under the supervision of Ian Campbell, Director Global Head Sportality, Australia, India. The testing team, mentored by Olympians, accompanied the MSOA Sportality team led by Shri Dipshan Rantathyang, Chairman, MSOA Podium Finish Committee, and Shri John F. Kharshiyeng, Working President, MSOA, which started their program on 21st October 2024 from Shillong, East Khasi Hills District, and then on to Kliriat, East Jaintia Hills District, Jowai, West Jaintia Hills District, Noston, West Khasi Hills District, Mairang, Eastern West Khasi Hills, Bhoirambong and Nongpo Ribhoi District, then moved to Garo Hills on 4th November 2024, testing in Tura and then Tikrikila, West Garo Hills District, and on the 6th of November 2024, Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills District. Out of the 10,000 to be tested, a total of 2,589 athletes from football grassroots centers have been tested, while over 3,652 children from schools have been tested, totaling 6,241 tested so far under this scientific testing methodology. An average of 350 to 400 tests are being conducted in the various districts. The ongoing talent identification program for sports is for all sports, and Meghalaya is for one of the first in the country to adopt such scientific testing protocols. MSOA has again found children athletes with outstanding speeds and power for their age in the various districts of Meghalaya, with 15 and 16-year-old male athletes of Ampati, Southwest Garo Hills, doing 5.7 seconds, 6.02 seconds in compass drill, beating the international benchmark of 8.0 seconds for boys, and sprinting 20 meters in 3.06 seconds and 2.85 seconds, meeting the international benchmark of 3.0 seconds for boys. Similar talents were found meeting the international benchmarks in the various districts of Meghalaya. It may be recalled that 7 athletes from TID Phase 1 and Elite Pathway Program EPP1, currently under the Super Elite Pathway Program SEPP1, have shown outstanding performances and continue to be trained by expert Olympians. Due to the upcoming exams, the Talent Identification Program Phase 3 will restart in Garo Hills during first week of December 2024.
.1 very good. 3.1, 3.0, very good, very good. Keep it up. Station, so 20 meters sprint, the vertical jump, the compass drill, and the 10-meter speed ladder run. And we are at Ampati Indoor Stadium, Southwest Garo Hills District. We are thankful to Honorable Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma and Shaklir Wajri, Sports Minister, Honorable Sports Minister, and the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for supporting this program, which is identifying talent in a methodological manner on a scientific basis based on data, and it is already showing results, results are, benchmarks are being created, records are being created, We are finding exceptional talent in various rural areas, and through this we hope to nurture these talents to a next level. So we are testing 10,000 this year in the third edition. It was launched in March by Honorable Chief Minister, and then subsequently we had the Lok Sabha and all that. We had to hold on, and arrangement of the logistical arrangement of traveling with a team of 20 people all over the districts. We have completed in most of the districts in Khasi and Jaintia Hills. Now we are moving in Garo Hills. We were in Tura, we were in Tikikila, today we are in Ampati, and then we will break for the exams and then come back after the exams. We are very happy that we are in this third edition also. We are finding more talent. In the first edition we tested 4,500, out of which 200 met the benchmark. Again now in the second edition last year, 10,000 we tested, 200 met the benchmark. They are undergoing training as we speak. And out of the first edition, 11 reach super elite level, and they are in a camp and being trained, mentored by Olympians. We hope they will also one day represent the state at the national level and hopefully at the international level for the country. It has been a long journey to collect all this data, but I am grateful to the government and the Department of Sports for supporting us in this very unique program.